So today I wanted to make a video kind of talking about the direction that I'm taking this YouTube channel and why I am doing it. So as you guys know, I started out this channel as a tech YouTube channel, and if you've been watching me for some time, I think I've talked about it in other videos, but I originally made this channel because I wanted to get over my fear of public speaking. And putting a camera in front of my face, I think I was able to do that. And even if you look back at my very first videos on this channel, you can see how awkward and nervous and just strange I sound compared to talking to the camera now. So that's how this whole channel started, and what was crazy about it was that I wasn't expecting to get a ton of views. In fact, the first video that I ever uploaded to YouTube, it was so bad that I recorded it twice, and after I recorded it, I knew I was so awkward on camera. I said, I don't want to upload this, but I'm going to because nobody's going to see it, because I had 0 subscribers. I didn't share it with any friends. I just wanted to put it out there. The next day I woke up and it was like 20,000 views. And then by like day 3, it was over 100,000 views. And so it just became something that I was like, oh, people like this. And so I started doing more and more and got over my fear of public speaking. And I appreciate everybody that subscribed to the channel. However, there are some things that just aren't really that fun anymore, and it's kind of draining to have a tech channel, I think, just because sometimes it's like I don't want to review things. I started to build custom computers because I like building custom computers. If I ever was to say make millions and millions of dollars, I would still build custom PCs because it's something that I enjoy. What I don't enjoy is reviewing 800 headphones. Right? Like, I like audio, but it's like kind of gets boring after the 5th headphone, right? Kind of same thing with like a GPU, in my opinion, or anything that you do repetitively over and over and over again. And it's not really kind of something that I'm that passionate about anymore. So I wanted to take this channel into something that I'm more passionate about: politics. I'm just kidding. I'm kidding. That was a joke. I'm just kidding. But no, on a serious note, I want to talk more about business. I want to interview a lot of my friends here in Atlanta that own companies, that are CEOs of companies, that have grown their companies from nothing to something. I too myself own a production company here in Atlanta, and I've owned my own business for years now, and this is kind of like what gets me excited. I love the fact that, one, I can make money off YouTube, the fact that I can make money off my affiliate links. I like talking about it, and if anybody that knows me in real life knows that I like this stuff and I talk about it all the time. And I figured, well, why not just talk about it with like my friends? Why not talk about it here on YouTube? Now, originally I was going to make a whole nother channel about this, but this channel here is so much, I don't know, it's important to me to keep this channel going because this is where kind of everything started on YouTube for me. I had other YouTube channels before in the past, but it wasn't me. I was filming things and then putting those things on YouTube, but it wasn't me. I wasn't on camera. And so that's why I'm making the switch on this channel to make this more into a financial channel, business channel. And I hope to interview some people that have never been interviewed before. You know, some multimillionaires, some billionaires, some CEOs of very big companies that have, you know, over $100 million in revenue, and put it out on this YouTube channel and kind of just do something different. So for the people that might not be as interested in this stuff, I would appreciate it if you guys stayed subscribed to the channel, maybe drop a like on a video every now and then, and who knows, you might end up seeing something that you find interesting. I'm going to be doing a lot of videos probably on, you know, how much money I make on my affiliate links, how much money I'm making here on YouTube, and kind of, I also have goals, right? So like the goal for this channel is to bring the AdSense revenue back up, right? Because I haven't uploaded consistently on this channel in a very long time. And I think right now my ad revenue is like $20 a month, $30 a month, very low. So my goal probably here within 1 month would be to get that 10 times higher. So get that to a point where it's like $300 a month. And then eventually I would like to get it to be about $3,000 a month. And I'm going to see how fast I can do that. My goal is to do it in 3 months. And I think it's possible. It's just going to require me to upload a lot. My goal is to get to a point where I can upload 3 times a day. However, I have some personal things that are requiring a lot more of my time right now, where I'm not going to hit that right away, but I will build up to it really fast. Anyways, that's it for this video. I just kind of wanted to give an update message to everybody that they're long-term subscribers to this channel, and I just wanted to thank you guys for sticking around for so long. Anyways, like the video if you guys haven't already, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Peace.